Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be trying how to clean your air fryer into your air fryer. I saw a video. If I can find that video again, I will definitely put it on the screen. But if I don't again, I'll watch the video. It says for you to put soap, dish soap and water, and then put it back into your fryer. It doesn't say how long, but maybe I'll put it in for like 5-10 minutes and see how. Everything is everything looks. But yeah, so today that's what we're gonna be doing. So I use this air fryer for my roasted potatoes that I posted on my channel. So I didn't wash this yet. Normally I would just soak it with soap and water and let it sit before I clean it out. But I want to try this method to see if it actually does the work or not. So let me show you the bottom of the air fryer. So this is how the bottom looks, and this is the net. So now what we're going to do is put some soap. So we're gonna put some soap in here. Okay, and then we are going to fill the water. Okay, you guys, so this is how much. This is like a half of the fryer. The maximum is right here, so I did half of the water. So now I'm going to put it in. I'm gonna put it in for 360 for 10 minutes. Or let's go for 15 minutes. Okay, and then we're gonna come back and see how everything looks. Okay, so that's what we want to do. So I will come back when everything is done. If this actually gonna clean it out the way it should, I'm not sure, but we're trying something here. Okay guys, so I'll see you guys. Okay you guys, so my fryer just went off. So I just want you to see here, this is what came out of the fryer. So let's zoom in. I'm gonna clean this out to see. So I'm gonna take this brush. So it did came out easily. So all of that came out, as you can see. Okay guys, as you can see, it did do the job. So yeah, I'll definitely be using this technique here and there. Yeah. Okay guys, there we go. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.